Question 14. A circle C with radius r lies only in the first quadrant. So it touches the x-axis and touches the y-axis. And then the line L has equation 2x plus y equal to 12. So part A show that the x-coordinates of the point of intersection of L with C satisfy this equation. Okay, so first I'm going to sketch this one out. So the circle lies only in the first quadrant. So just make sure the quadrant is clear. Yeah, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. So if the circle lies only in the first quadrant, so it won't be anything outside, so just only inside. And then touches the x-axis and touches the y-axis. So I'm going to draw a circle first. And then if a circle lies only inside the first quadrant and touches the x-axis and touches the y-axis, so the circle has to be look like this. So both of the x-axis and y-axis will be a tangent to the circle. So, and then the radius is r. So that means if that's the center, so this length will be r. And also this length is also r. So which means the center of the circle has to be r and r. Because if this length is r, so that means here, the x-coordinate has to be r. And if this length is r, so that means here the y-coordinates, the y value has to be r. So therefore the center is just r and r. So if the center is r and r, then the circle equation has to be x minus r squared plus y minus r squared is equal to the radius r squared. So that would be the equation of the circle. And then the equation of the line is 2x plus y equal to 12. And they want us to find the x-coordinate of the point of intersection. So we just do substitution. Yeah. So I will make the y as a subject. So y is equal to 12 minus 2x. So if we substitute in, that will give us x minus r squared plus y, which is 12 minus 2x minus r squared equal to r squared. So expand the first one, x squared minus 2rx plus r squared. And then for the second one, I'm going to write like 12 minus 2x minus r times by 12 minus 2x minus r equal to r squared. So straight away, r squared minus both sides will cancel out. So just x squared minus 2rx equal to, so times them out. This will be 12 times 12, 144. 12 times by negative 2x is negative 24x. And 12 times by negative r is negative 12r. And then for the second one, negative 2x times 12 is negative 24x. And then negative 2x times by negative 2x is positive 4x squared. And negative 2x times by negative r is positive 2rx. And then for the last one, so negative r times by 12 is negative 12r. And negative r times by negative 2x, that would be positive 2rx. And then negative r times by negative r, that would be positive r squared equal to 0. So now, to simplify this, so we have for the x terms, for the x squared terms, this is x squared, and then this is x squared, and that's it. So if you add them, so that would be 5x squared, which is the same. And then for the x term, minus 2rx, minus 24x, and then minus 24x, plus 2rx, and then plus 2rx. So that would be all the x terms. So if we simplify that, minus 2rx will cancel out with positive 2rx. So then the only two remaining term would be, so minus 24x, and then plus 2rx. So that would be 2rx minus 48x. And then for the constant term, so we have r squared, and then minus 12r is minus 24r, and then plus 144, just plus 144 equal to 0. So if we factorize out the x, so then that would be 2r minus 48 left, and then x outside. And then for the constant term is just r squared minus 24r plus 144 equal to 0, which is exactly the same. So 2r minus 48 and r squared minus 24r plus 144 equal to 0. So part A done. Okay, part B. Given also that L is a tangent to C, and then find the two possible values of R, giving you answer as fully simplified sets. Okay, so because it says it's a tangent to circle, so that means they only intersect at one point. So which means the discriminant b squared minus 4ac has to be equal to 0. So we can just use the result from before. So we already know A is equal to 5, and then B is equal to 2r minus 48, and C equal to r squared minus 24r plus 144. So we can just apply the result. So B squared minus 4ac equal to 0. We know B 2r minus 48, and then square minus 4 times by A, which is 5, and then times by C, which is r squared minus 24r plus 144 equal to 0. So then expand the brackets. So 2r all squared is just 4r squared. And then minus 2 times by 2 times 48, which is 192r. And then plus 48 squared, which is equal to 2304. And then 4 times 5 is 20, so that would be minus 20r squared. And then negative 20 times by negative 24 is positive 480r. And then minus 20 times by 144 is equal to negative 2880 equal to 0. So then simplify this. 4r squared minus 20r squared is equal to negative 16r squared. And then negative 192r plus 480r, that would be positive 288r. And then 2304 minus 2880, that would be negative of 576 equal to 0. So then I'm just put that in the calculator. So A is negative 16, B is 288, and then C is negative 576. So then R is equal to 9 plus or minus 3 root 5. So that would be the two possible values of R.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.